Hey guys, welcome back to my garden. Today it's time to harvest a couple of tomatoes off of this Minibel tomato plant. You could see it's super compact and small, but looking around, you could see we have quite a few little fruits here and there. So I am gonna harvest what I can right now, and we'll be right back in just a moment, guys. I'll show you what I gathered. Actually, let me see if we could maybe grab one off together. Let me see, this plant is so compact and tight. It might be a little bit difficult to even break this off because I do want to leave a bit of the stem on the... Nope. Too difficult to break that, guys. You can see right over here it is pretty thick. So let me get a little pair of scissors. I'm going to try to clip these off and we'll be right back. So there we have it, guys. We have 4 beautiful tomatoes as you see over here. They are looking great, nice and large. It looks like I would say maybe about 1 inch in size, something like that. That's probably the biggest one. Let me grab the scale. Let's see how heavy these are. And I'm sorry about that noise in the background, guys. That's the water pump going off. It's loud. Looks like we got 28.88 grams, or just over an ounce, guys. So not bad for the first harvest right now. You can see as we go back to the plant over here, there are still a few other tomatoes that are growing and of various sizes. Some are really small, some are a little bit bigger, as you see. So things are still going, guys. I am keeping this plant alive. This is such a good plant, guys. It's super compact and tight. I'm really excited to get this plant going. That's why I took lots of cuttings, and I'm gonna have this plant growing all over my system. You could see a perfect example is right over here. I took this cutting, I would say maybe about a month ago at this point, probably a little bit less, maybe 3 weeks now. And you can see the root system is just looking fabulous right now. It looks so good. And flowers are even growing, guys, so I'm gonna have to clip those off. So make sure you don't need any flower development right now. We just need vegetative growth. So you see flowers, take those off at the moment. And I got a second one over here. Probably also flowers are probably developing somewhere there. And we'll see, I'll monitor that. And I got these cuttings going. So soon we'll have more tomatoes growing, guys. This is my first harvest. I'm super excited to give it a try, see how flavorful they are. And we'll be back soon for more, guys. If you liked the episode, please show me some love. Hit that thumbs up. Post any messages or comments down below. I'll do my best to respond. Thank you so much. We'll be back soon. Really good, guys. It's really sweet. Probably could have used maybe 1 more day of ripening. It would have been a little bit sweeter, but overall, super delicious. Really good. Actually, kind of complex. The more I chewed it, the sweeter the flavor kind of became. Overall, really good tomato, guys. Super tasty. This is the Minibel tomato plant, and definitely going to be a staple in my garden. So we'll be back soon for more, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching.